but soft. What light through yonder window breaks? It is the east, and Juliet is the sun. Arise, fasten and kill the envious moon, whose already sick and pale with grief, that you have made out for more far than she. Right. It is my lady. Oh, it is my love. Oh, that she knew she were. The brightness of her cheek would shame the stars as daylight doth a lamb. Her eyes.
Next, I want to request to improve some activities like your voice. You want to speak much more louder, okay? I found little bit of grammar mistakes in your speech content. Your speech content was very nice. I think your topic was involved in environment. I like your topic very much. I think you are so much of nervous and panic. Don't panic because we are your friends, no?